Good morning. It is January 27th, 2 weeks after our summer scalp, and I wanted to show you a quick update on our lawn after our summer scalp. So some of you in that video may have thought I was absolutely insane, I was crazy, but I kind of wanted to play with some stress blend. I wanted to play with the lawn, see how it would react after I scalped it. When I say I scalped it, check out that last video I did. I took it down to 1 3/4 inches in the middle of June. Peak summer heat in the middle of Indiana. Also took a Sunjo to it, pulled out a lot of dead material on the lawn, trying to create more consistent color. So let me show you the results of that. As you can tell behind me, it's already greened up a lot. So I equate that to I have a pretty good fertilizer plan. I'm using stress blend for the summer. This is my first summer with this lawn. I also have irrigation. I also got lucky with some weather. So I've had a few days in the high 70s, but I've also had some days where it was in the 80s, but it also rained. So Mother Nature definitely helped me out. But let's take a quick look at this lawn and give you a quick update on see where we're at. So main stage, front lawn of my house. I just mowed it for the first time since that summer scalp, which was Thursday, today being Sunday. And you can see that the grass is reacting very well. If you look down in here, I have Kentucky bluegrass. It's spreading nice. I still have a little bit of melting out, but overall pretty good color, and the grass is bouncing back very, very well. So I do have some scarring from some of the previous fungus, but if you look down deep, you can see that I have some new green grass coming up already, which is great. And when I did mow this, I was at 2 1/4 inches. Some of my neighbors even commented, "What did you do to your lawn? You killed it." Well, I didn't kill it. As you can see, even these parts that are a little bit more brown than others, I got some pretty good green growth coming back. So that's awesome. So I expect it here in the next few weeks to bounce back pretty well. Here's some more parts. One thing that I did notice when I did this is I disturbed the ground a little bit, and I got a little bit of weeds coming up. So I did apply some selective herbicide to kill off some of these weeds, but overall it's not too bad. Here's the park strip in front of my house. Now I wanted to show you the property line. So from about here over is my neighbor's lawn, and then from here over is mine, and you can see a definite color difference. So if we look a little bit deeper, so you can see over here and then over here. So that's pretty freaking cool. So this is the side of my house, and this gets some pretty good sun, but also gets a little bit of shade, and you can tell that the color here is awesome. I also had very little fungus damage on this side of the house, but as you can see, great color on this side of the house. So I wanted to show you, this is right next to my driveway, and as you can see, this is my neighbor's house, this is my property line, and you can tell that there is a definitive line right here, the difference between our two lawns. My color is a lot more consistent. This is a bare spot from when we first moved in. We'll get that taken care of in the fall, but dramatic color difference. Now my neighbors also fertilize, they aerate, they have an irrigation system. They also have a professional lawn company that comes out and treats their lawn, but I wanted to show you the difference between what we just did and what their lawn looks like, and I think I'm doing some things right. So a lot of you guys are questioning what to throw down in the summertime to keep your lawn green, to promote the micro and macronutrients into your lawn. And I would say that stress blend is a awesome option. Obviously there's other options out there, but if you're considering it, try the stress blend fertilizer from Yard Mastery. I'll put the link below to it. Awesome stuff. My lawn is recovering very well, and I expect this by July 4th, when I have more guests over at my house, that this is going to be a beautiful dark green lawn. So please make sure you like my channel, you subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video.